Welcome, dear viewers. Ever wondered how the ancient wisdom of King Solomon could unlock your path to limitless wealth? Through this mystical portal, we invite you to embark on a journey that transcends time. Today, we reveal the secrets that have been hidden for centuries, secrets that hold the power to transform your life. With these golden keys, each representing a secret code, we prepare to delve into the depths of wisdom that promise boundless prosperity. Stay tuned to discover the 6 secret codes that will make you rich forever. In a world of ancient wisdom, we unveil the secrets of King Solomon. Through this mystical journey, we travel into the realms of wealth and prosperity. Today, we're about to embark on an epic adventure into a time portal. We are transported on a journey through time and space, through ancient kingdoms and mystical truths. Enveloped by an aura of knowledge and mystery, we begin our exploration of the age-old wisdom of King Solomon, the legendary icon in the world of wealth and prosperity, in our episode, 6 Secret Codes of Solomon that will make you rich forever. According to ancient texts, King Solomon was a man who possessed a wisdom that was unparalleled. Legend states his understanding and knowledge had the power to transcend time and space. As his image bursts into a constellation of knowledge and wisdom, we see that this gift was not limited to mundane matters, but rather it was a treasure trove of wisdom that encompassed all aspects of life. From the sciences to the arts, from the physical to the spiritual, Solomon's wisdom guiding us towards a life of abundance and wealth. King Solomon, a name known to many, known for his immense wealth and prosperity, his figure shimmers golden and inspiring. His wisdom, as contained within the ancient texts resting in his hands, was sought after by kings and scholars alike. Kings and scholars filled with fascination and desire sought to unravel the secrets behind his unprecedented wealth and prosperity. We reveal Solomon's wisdom. It was not just about accumulating wealth, it was about understanding the true essence of wealth. The concept that true wealth is not measured by the amount of gold we possess, but by the richness of our souls and the magnitude of our actions. This truth we seek to unravel in this episode shines bright. As we delve into the depths of King Solomon's wisdom, we transition to a cryptic door that opens to the 5 secret codes that King Solomon lived by. These ancient symbols are profound teachings that hold the key to eternal riches. As each symbol transforms into a golden key, we realize they have the power to transform our lives, catapulting us into an existence of boundless wealth and prosperity. The world of ancient wisdom is through the core of Solomon's teachings, revealing the secret codes that have been hidden for centuries. A puzzle unfolds before us, each piece a part of the secret codes. Let's reveal the immense wealth of King Solomon and how it can be applied to our lives today. As we delve into the timeless teachings, through the different eras and cultures appear, embodying teachings that continue to inspire millions across the globe, giving them the tools to unlock their potential and amass wealth. From understanding the power of gratitude to harnessing the energy of abundance, from realizing the importance of giving to appreciating the value of patience, decoding these secrets and much more. Let's decode these secrets and learn timeless lessons for wealth and money. As we embark on our journey to the wisdom of the mind, where Solomon teaches us the power of knowledge and discernment and introduces the concept of intellectual wealth, the idea that our mind is a treasure trove of knowledge, ripe for exploration. Solomon's teachings suggest that the greatest wealth is not found in banks or vaults, but within the labyrinth of our minds. As we dive into the wisdom of the mind, deeply anchored in the significance of continuous learning, a montage of different people learning paints a vivid picture of the ever-present thirst for knowledge and enlightenment. This quest for learning extends beyond academic education. It's about comprehending the world in its entirety. People, cultures, systems, complexities. We see that as we learn more opportunities present themselves. Solomon's emphasis is on critical thinking. It's about peeling back the layers. We need to question the status quo and not just accept things at face value. It's about thinking outside the box, challenging norms and pushing boundaries. We see how critical thinking allows us to untangle complex issues, make informed decisions, and positively impact both personal growth and the world. Up next, we learn the importance of decision-making skills as part of the wisdom of the mind. This involves making choices that are informed, rational, and beneficial long-term. Good decision-making is not just about making wise choices for oneself, but also about their ripple effects on others and the world. It involves weighing options, foreseeing consequences, and picking the right path. As we proceed, discernment is a crucial factor that Solomon imparts. Discernment is about distinguishing between right and wrong, truth and falsehood. This is beneficial. It involves using both our mind and intuition to make accurate judgments and decisions. It's an integral component of wisdom and plays a significant role in our financial success journey. All these elements, continuous learning, critical thinking, decision-making, and discernment, make up the wisdom of the mind. Visualized using a building block animation, they foster wisdom, clarity of thought, and financial success. They enable us to understand the world better and make us more equipped through complexities. Finally, the wisdom of the mind is seen as a profound concept, teaching us to value our intellectual capital and apply it to achieve financial success. The mind is depicted as a powerful tool, able to generate immense wealth with a visual metaphor of a mine turning into a gold mine. Remember, a wise mind is the ultimate wealth generator. As we delve into the mastery of action, Solomon's insightful teachings on the importance of taking decisive steps towards our goals. Through a mesmerizing visual representation, we explore this crucial element in our journey towards success. With a flash of brilliant light, we enter a world where the mastery of action is not merely a concept, but a powerful principle taught by Solomon, the wise one. It is a stepping stone, a foundation, an integral building block that shapes the trajectory of our ambitions. We focus on the core of this principle as outlined by Solomon. We journey through a vibrant thought cloud, instilling a deep understanding of the significance of being assertive in the pursuit of our objectives. Solomon's wisdom resonates in the air, emphasizing the key to unlocking the doors of success and prosperity. Initiate determined, purposeful, and direct action. We embrace the idea of action as a universal concept, transcending boundaries of space, time, and culture. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, or the pursuit of knowledge that you seek, action is applicable and is the lifeblood of progress. A force drives us forward. It's the spark that lights the fire, the engine that propels dreams into reality. Solomon's teachings are about casting aside indecision and inertia. He states that breaking free from the quicksand of procrastination, we hear the call to embrace persistence. Regardless of the hurdles, keep going. We transition into a rocky path, symbolizing the road to success. Each step taken, each action initiated is a victory. It's a validation of courage, a testament to resolve, an affirmation of self-belief. With a soaring eagle, we symbolize a bold stride towards the envisioned future, a future where aspirations are tangible realities. Inaction, a state that fosters stagnation and stifles growth. But as we choose to act, we opt for progress, for success, and pave the pathway not just to personal achievement, but also to riches in every sense of the word. Inaction breeds stagnation, but action paves the path to riches. Now let's delve into the secrets of abundance, a cornerstone of Solomon's teachings. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey, one that's about much more than just financial wealth. It's about the expansiveness of life, love, and happiness. Firstly, to truly explore the secrets of abundance, we need to understand Solomon. This historical figure, known for his wisdom and profound knowledge, forms the center of our discussion today. Solomon lived in an era defined by scarcity and limitation, but he introduced an idea that was both radical and revolutionary. He suggested that we're not trapped in a world of scarcity, but rather we are part of a world that is limitless and abundant. This idea forms the basis of what we call the abundance mindset. It's not just about material wealth, it's about a shift in perspective that changes the way we view our lives. It's realizing the abundance that flows into our lives every and seeing the potential for more. Solomon's teachings urge us not just to embrace abundance, but to embody it. The abundance mindset can bring prosperity and wealth, relationships, health, happiness, and personal growth. It's like a river that knows no bounds. Now let's consider the law of attraction, a universal principle that Solomon deeply venerated. It holds a great significance in modern lives. The law of attraction operates simple premise: our thoughts shape our reality. Our mind is a magnet, attracting the energy it thinks and believes. If we focus on abundance, we attract abundance. As we step further into Solomon's teachings, let's embrace the abundance mindset and harness the law of attraction to manifest our dreams. In the end, remember, thoughts become things and energy flows where attention goes. Through the law of attraction, you can magnetize wealth and abundance into your life. As our journey concludes, Solomon imparts the undying wisdom of the legacy of giving, a testament to the transformative power of generosity. As a monarch known for his wisdom, Solomon grasped the essence and magnitude of selflessness, of giving, not just receiving. He was intimately acquainted with sharing's power, an ideology he cherished and often demonstrated with his actions and choices. In the annals of history, his name is etched as a beacon of wisdom, generosity, and prosperity. His reputation wasn't hinged solely on his immense wealth, but on his utilization of that wealth for the welfare of others. His benevolence branched out beyond his kingdom's boundaries, extending to even the most remote and deprived regions, offering aid and sustenance. Donning the mantle of a king, Solomon was equipped to wallow in extravagance. However, he opted for a different trail. He was a man of substance, and his actions resonated louder than his words. Through his deeds, he conveyed a lucid message to his subjects and contemporaries. True affluence isn't about hoarding, but giving. Solomon's philosophy wasn't confined to donating physical wealth, but about proffering knowledge, wisdom, love, and kindness, an all-embracing perception of generosity that enveloped all life facets. His teachings transcended physicality, delving into the spiritual and emotional domain, educating his followers to be generous in all life spheres. This philosophy, this legacy of giving, outlasted his era and continues to motivate individuals globally, even today. The legacy of giving is a testament to Solomon's wisdom, a testament to his comprehension of life's complexities. It validates the human spirit's capacity for generosity and compassion. The philosophy emphasizes not just financial generosity, but a generosity of spirit, a generosity encapsulating empathy, understanding, patience, and love. His timeless admonition on the importance of giving over hoarding holds even more significance in our contemporary consumer-driven society. In a reality where affluence often symbolizes happiness, Solomon's words stand as a stark reminder. The true wealth and happiness measure doesn't lie in our possessions, but in our contributions to others. The legacy of giving epitomizes the transformative power of generosity. It lights the path to enlightenment, demonstrating that the act of giving can metamorphose lives, societies, and ultimately the world. It beckons us to be generous, altruistic, and kind, to share our blessings with the less privileged, fostering a world where generosity is customary, not an outlier. True wealth isn't gauged by what we amass, but by what we bestow. As we conclude our journey through King Solomon's secret codes, remember that true wealth extends far beyond material riches. It encompasses wisdom, abundance, generosity, alignment, and persistence. Embrace these teachings, and may you be blessed with everlasting wealth and fulfillment. Until next time, stay prosperous, my friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content on wealth, wisdom, personal finance, and the secrets to a prosperous life. See you in the next video. Comment your thoughts in the description.